Entering the H123D jet into high power mode, simply power on the quad and bind to the controller. In this case, I do not have the quad powered up because once I enter menu, it'll continuously beep and you will not be able to hear my instructions. Once you are bound quad to controller, take your left stick, pull it down, long press the right stick to enter the menu. Leave the menu at set sensitivity and just go to the video button. Long press the video button until you hear one beep. Now you have entered the high power frequency. To exit, simply press the video button again till you hear two beeps. Now you have exited high power frequency mode.